So in last class, we are discussing about alert boxes and prompt boxes. And today class, we will discuss about console.log and document.write. So let me go with the notes. Please wait for 1 second. Okay, so in last class, we discussed about alert message, what alert message can do. It will show the alert box for the user, alert for user from window. And next one is prompt. What prompt message can do? It will show a prompt. It will show a prompt for user to take input from user, and it stores a value. It stores a value into a variable. Okay. And let me go one more message, console.log method. See what console.log method can do. This is a JavaScript predefined method. This is a JS predefined method, which is using for print some console output. Print some console output in browser console. In browser console. 1 second. It will print the browser output in browser console. See how to work with the console.log, how to write console.log message. Console.log. Everything is small letters. Don't give the capital letters for that. Console.log with the single quotes. Console.log with a double quotes. So whatever you want, you can write it. But this output will not show on top of the browser. This output will not show on top of the browser. Okay, so let me go with our practical example how console.log will be working with. Let me take a JavaScript program. See console.log method .html. So let me write a script over there and write console.log method. Console.log hello.js. And one more message, console.log. I am coming from console window. Okay. For example, if I want to store a value, name is equal to JavaScript, and I want to print this value in the console.log. So name is then comma name. Name already stored into the value, whatever the value called JavaScript, that value got stored into the name. And when I say console.log, name is something like name. See, when I run the program, on top of the browser, I cannot able to see any output. When I run the program, I cannot able to see anything on top of the browser. But when you right click on this, go to the inspector. In inspector, there is an option called console option. Can you see and observe? I just want to zoom the browser. When you go to the console output, when you go to the console option, where console option is available, can you see and observe? Console option is available inside the browser. Every browser has a console. Every browser have a behind console. Just go to the console and open the console. You can able to see the output of the console. Just click on the console option and you see the output like a hello.js, and I'm coming from console window and name is something like JavaScript. Okay, so for this, what I want to do is I need to give some HTML content on top of that. See, let me give the h3. Please open, please right click on the browser. Please right click on the browser to show console, window or console button. Please right click on the browser to show the console button. And one more point, click on console, click on console button for showing console outputs, So this is the way of writing with the console messages and showing the console messages and all. So I hope everybody got understand how the console is working. So whatever the things you are writing inside the console, that will be displayed. And one more important about the console I will show. Inside the console, I can directly print the messages. X is equal to 10. So what is the X value? I can able to show something. Y is equal to 20. What is the Y value? I want to get the Y value. Y value is 20. So what is the Z value? Z is X plus Y. When I say Z, Z is basically X plus Y. That value is 10 plus 20, 30 is going to be coming out. And the type of, what is the type of, type of is the methods. Type of is the method. What is the use of type of method? Type of X. What is the type of X? You can see number. What is the type of what is the type of name? What is the type of name? So type of name is string. Name is basically JavaScript, right? Type of name is a kind of string data. So type of message, what is the type of method? JavaScript method. This is a predefined JavaScript method which is giving a data type of the particular variable. So just follow the console outputs, how the console outputs are going to be working. And one more important point is console is not only printing the console messages, it will use for track the program, it will use find out the errors. See how to work with the console output as errors. For example, I am writing alert box, alert, hello.js. Okay, after the console output, JavaScript is line by line execution, right? JavaScript is interpreter program, line by line execution. After printing all the consoles, I want to show the alert message. But when you want to show the alert message, I need to get the alert message after the console outputs. Let me go. So I am getting hello.js. I am coming from console window and name is JavaScript. Okay, fine. But alert box is not coming. You got an issue with the alert. Whatever the error you got, that error is going to be displaying in the console window. You click on this error line, the red color mark, whatever you have, the red color cross mark, whatever we have, just click on that. When you click on that, you will be finding alert line, 11th line, we got an issue. 11th line, we got an issue. What is the issue here? You can able to understand what is the issue over there. Alert, I am giving a capital A, but capital A is not recognizing by the JavaScript browser. Capital A is not recognizing. So it is needed a small a. It is needed a small a. Small a is needed, but you are trying to giving the capital A. That is a problem. So you have to solve it. How to solve it? Just go and refresh the program and clear all the drawings over there and go to the program and keep A is a small letter. When you keep A is a small letter, obviously you will be having a alert with a small letters. Okay, just go hello.js, we got it, and go to the inspector. Come to the inspector. From inspector, go to the console. Hello.js is coming. I am coming from console window is coming, and the name is JavaScript is coming. But alert box, before the console outputs, alert box came. Why? Because alert is coming from window. So we need to understand DOM architecture. So in the further video, I will explain about the alert message also. Please try to do practice about the console window over the program. So that's all for this program.